IME Group of Companies, pioneering design and manufacturing excellence for over 4 decades. A hallmark of industrial innovation and leader in modern manufacturing, IME provides comprehensive end-to-end design and manufacturing solutions, including additive manufacturing, collaborative robots, simulation, Internet of Things, big data analytics, and system integration, to empower businesses in the manufacturing sector. Through enduring partnerships with globally renowned technology brands, Dassault Systèmes, SOLIDWORKS, Mastercam, and Graphisoft. We have positioned ourselves as the trusted technology ally for local industries, delivering reliability and advancing technological excellence. IME creates specialized systems like MES, big data dashboards, and OEE solutions, helping clients stay competitive by improving efficiency and driving transformation. IME Group of Companies excels in delivering specialized expertise and technology-driven solutions across 12 core industries, including automotive, machinery, construction, mold, tool, die, aerospace, high-tech, and medical and health. Advocate of additive manufacturing for the past 2 decades, enabling the industry to accelerate innovation with technology in fields like aerospace, automotive, consumer goods, and medical. IME Group of Companies, a legacy of 45 years steeped in unwavering dedication, serving the local community with advanced technologies to increase profitability, productivity, and competitiveness. In our journey, we have not only witnessed but actively shaped the trajectory of manufacturing towards a digital future, embodying the spirit of Industry 4.0 readiness. As stewards of technological evolution, we remain committed to delivering solutions that not only address today's challenges, but also anticipate the needs of tomorrow.